Maar uiteindelijk komt het erop neer dat er heel veel materialen zijn die eigenlijk nog heel goed zijn, heel bruikbaar zijn. Die vervat zitten in een of ander object, een tafel, een stoel. Maar die dingen op zich hebben nog altijd hun waarde. Misschien het geheel heeft zijn waarde niet meer, maar het stuk op zich heeft nog zijn waarde en kan gerust voor iets anders gebruikt worden.
I don't wanna work today, maybe I just wanna stay, just take it easy cause there's no stress. I know it's not enough.
Dan merk ik wel, de wil is er, maar de techniek moet nog komen.
I text my baby on her phone, trying to get her sexy body home. That's the way I wanna spend my day.
What's your first impression of the Jokerweek?
The mess. It's really the mess, but it's the same mess I have in my studio, so I'm quite feeling at home. I don't see so much connections with my own work, but I see a connection in the way of thinking, of course, reusing, restoring, recombining these things I do too, but not in the same way.
What we wanted to ask you is, we've seen a lot of things that look like the stuff you made already. Do you think it's a normal consequence of working with the material, or do you think they stole your ideas?
No, it's a normal consequence. We don't like to tell the people what they have to do. We only try to push them and we ask them for experimenting. We're totally free.
For us, it's a quite good workshop. We've seen a lot of little pieces that are quite good. I mean, also because you can see people is having fun. Some of them are enjoying, and you can see in the pieces that they are made. And some of them are real bored, they are suffering, and you can see in what they are doing. So it's really easy to see who is having fun and who is not.
Have you found new inspiration here with solutions of the students? Are you gonna use things yourself later, or is it not good enough?
No, there are a lot of things good enough for sure. Teachers are most part of the time wrong. So don't stop doing what you are thinking, especially here. Because here is not a classroom, here is a workshop. Here you have to experiment, you have to enjoy.